opposite side of that are winds coming from south to north, going away from the radar. So we'll walk back to the screen here. And again, thankfully, the good news is this rotation that you can see here with my hand, it's broad. I can't really determine from this if there actually is, say, a funnel cloud or tornado going on. Probably not. However, again, as this moves into Beauregard Parish, it is something that we will continue to keep an eye on. So I just want to give you guys a first alert in southern Beauregard Parish. The system, the storm, the cell is something that we will continue to watch closely over the next couple of hours. Okay, so now I'm going to, again, go back to the regular.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 718, effective until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Allen, Beauregard, Calcasieu, and Jefferson Davis, and the following counties in Texas: Jasper and Newton. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
If it decides to drop it, we will go back to programming. It's still out there though, so we will continue to keep an eye on it, and we'll track it right here. Let's now take another look at the velocity to see if there's the rotation has weakened or tightened up. And again, the good news here is, from what I can tell, it's still pretty broad. It has not really shown signs of hammering, even though you guys aren't technically included in the tornado watch. We are going to have to keep an eye on cells that come in from the Gulf of Mexico later on during the day. Those two would have a chance of turning strong to severe. So again, even though you're not included in the watch, that does not mean the severe weather threat is zero. In fact, we still do have a threat.
The tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time for central Louisiana.
Yeah, I'm just sitting here watching TV. So, I saw yours, headed up that way.
Here, be the lookout.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Central Repeats Parish in central Louisiana until 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:04 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Elmer, Oregon, 9 miles east of Anniston, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
It's Hineston.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Ironic how that commercial's in my mock.
This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Repeats Parish, including the following locations: Woodworth, Calcasieu, and Forest Hill. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 70 and 91. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Side effects may include pancreas inflammation and gallbladder problems. Call your prescriber if you have any of these symptoms. Wegovy may cause low blood sugar in people with diabetes, especially if you take medicines to treat diabetes. Call your prescriber about vision changes, if you feel your heart racing while at rest, or if you have mental changes. Depression or thoughts of suicide may occur.
And here it is. You can see
Fail. Oh. Emergency alert didn't go off.
Here's the latest information from the National Weather Service. They said at 8:07 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near to Quincy, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. And the warning right now is set to go until 8:45. And let's take a look again where the system is. We'll zoom in a little bit more. And you can see here's the Quincy to the south, and the system is to the north.